Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the MS Microsoft, MySQL, that is open source. Uh, Now I am going to create a database. Look at here, create database student. So this database is already existing. So I am connecting with the connect student show tables. So look at here, different tables are there. Select star from class plus 2. Okay, students, I'm going to discuss here. The clause name is group by. With a group by clause, divide your table into small segments. And we know that in MySQL, we can perform some inbuilt functions. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इनबिल्ट फंक्शंस भी डिस्कस करेंगे, लाइक सम, एवरेज, मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम, ये सारे के सारे फंक्शंस इन्हें हम these are inbuilt functions. So we will discuss these functions and then we will discuss group by command. So look at here, I am going to create table result. Here I take admission number as integer and also primary key. We know that in field on which we have set primary key is a provide us unique data. We can't keep that field empty. Moreover, we will have to fill the data. आप उस field को empty नहीं छोड़ सकते, खाली नहीं छोड़ सकते. Now after that, I am taking your name. This is character 10. Then I take here uh, city, character 10. In case of city, I am taking here class. It is integer. Then marks. It is float. This result is already there. So I'm making this as result 1. Okay, so when a table is created, describe result 12. So these are the fields on which we have set on admission number, we have set primary key. Insert into result 12 values, admission number 101, 1001. Then second field is name. Then class, it is 10. Then marks, it is 78. First record edit. Second record, here is 1002 Amrit, class 9, marks is 98. It is 1005 Pratham, class 10, marks 56. It is now 1004. See here, it is class 9, marks is 86. Then it is 106 Sumit, class 10, marks is 91. Okay, go students, I am going to display the data. Select star from result 12. Okay, students. Now on this table, we can apply some aggregate. Aggregate function बेटा वो होते हैं जो single value return करते हैं. Aggregate functions. Look at here. Select sum marks from result 12. So total is 409. Ishneet clear है?
हाँ जी सर.
रोहन, बेटा unmute yourself बेटा. Ankita.
Yes, sir.
Okay बेटा. Now select, these are numeric functions. Okay, average, max function, so sum, avg, average, max, min. It will give us minimum marks. It is returning only single value from full table. That is why these functions are called aggregate functions. Now next is okay beta. Now next is there are some numeric function में some more numeric functions are there. For example, select here is round 34.56. Look at here. आपने मेरा direct you can apply the command. ठीक है, select round. So it will 34.56. It display 35. But if I am taking here 36, then it will display 34. Round function. आप round function table पर भी चला सकते हो. Look at here. But if the marks is in points, but this is not a aggregate function. It means it is giving us a multiple value. So some function, average function, min function, max function, the aggregate function is single value return. So round function will round off the value. If the value is decimal value is 5 or above 5, one will be added in the value. Next is we can apply trigonometric functions. Okay, we can apply square root, SQRT, square root of 25, it is 5. We can apply select POW or power. We can use both POW or power. 3 power 2. It is so 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So any doubt in this? Aditya, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
There is also sine function. Look at here. Sine. So it means it is negative value. If it is positive value, it will show 1. -1 means negative value, 1 means positive value. Sign. It will tell us whether the your value is numeric or positive. Whether numeric or positive or negative. Okay. Next is these are your numeric functions. Select truncate, okay beta, it will remove, it will display the decimal value up to, suppose that we want to see decimal value 1, it means answer will be 15.79. It will delete the value, it will not increase, ये round off नहीं है, ये eliminate करेगा आपके पास decimal value. अवेश क्लियर है बेटा ये?
Yes, sir.
ओके बेटा, तो हमने जो numeric inbuilt functions we have discussed here, one is another is mode बेटा, वो भी हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. Select mode. If we divide by 10, divide by 3, what will be the mode value? Remaining value 1. Okay, so we discuss here one mode function, power or POW, then round, then sine, then square root, then truncate. So all of these are numeric functions, but there are some string functions. These are numeric functions. So now we are going to discuss some string functions. So first function is character. So look at here. I am using here select character 65. So it will return A. A means 65 is a SKY code, and we want to see the character corresponding to this SKY code. So if I'm using here 97 small a, 97 98 AB, 97 98 100 101 101. So it is AEE. So parameter, number of parameters you can give. So this is called, it will return the character. So look at here. First function is character. Next is concat. Look at here. I'm using here selector concat good morning. So look at here. The both strings are joined. Concatenation. Next is lower or L case. So convert into small case. You can also write here L case. Same thing. So here is L case. Here is L case or lower. Next is upper or U case. U case. If I am typing in small letter, it will convert into capital letters. U case or upper. Same thing is same. Next is length function. So length function will return number of characters, including spaces. So here is length function. Next is trim. Trim function will remove extra spaces. Look at here. In both sides. If I am giving extra spaces, it will remove the extra spaces. Here is L trim. L trim left hand side, extra spaces will be removed. R trim, right hand side, extra spaces will be removed. So here trim as well as L trim, then R trim. Next is substring, getting a small string from a big string. ठीक है, आपने एक बहुत बड़ी आपके पास स्ट्रिंग है, उनमें से आपने कुछ डाटा फेच कर लिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड substring. For example, function is substring or SUB, STR, both are same. Select SUB, STR. Here, suppose it is string is here, and we want to start from the second character, and we need 3 characters. So look at here, 1, 2, second character is I. So starting from I, 3 characters I and E. So this is called substring. Charanjot, it is clear? Pawan, any doubt in this? Avish,
Yes, sir.
any doubt in this, beta?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, beta. Now there are some functions that are linked with date and time. So first function is current date. You can write here current date or like this current underscore date. So both are same. So here select current date. So here it display. Look at here the format of the date in MySQL. It is year, then uh, the month, then day. Okay, and here is in 4 digits. So remember this format. Now we can use current date, same function. Okay, even then if I remove the brackets I will get the same result. तो यहाँ पे आप इसको रिमूव भी कर सकते हो आप ब्रैकेट्स को, तब भी रिजल्ट सेम ही आएगा. Next is date. Brackets missing. I'm checking here. Okay. Look at here. If I'm taking here select current date, it display current date. Current date, it display current date. Now if I want to display, I'm giving here select date, and date is always in single or double quotes. Remember this one thing. I am giving here 31st December 2021, and after that I am giving time. So this function will pick the date from this one. It will ignore the time. It will pick your date only. And if I'm taking here month, so it will take only month. If I'm taking here year, it will take only year. Then and in case I am typing here now function. So look at here, complete date along with the time, current date and current time. So you can also use like this, select a month, year, in bracket take date, take now. Now means current date and time. So look at here, 2021. Next is system date. But remember one thing, system date is applicable in some versions, and in some version it is not applicable. So now I'm taking here, select sys date. So it is equivalent to now. Okay. Sys date and now both are same thing is there. So these are the some functions based on a date and time. So these are, now next is I have one table, select start from result 12. If I apply here, select some marks, yeah, average, yeah, max, you can apply anything, marks from result 12. Okay, students, it will give us 98. It is applicable on full table. But if I am saying every marks from each class, there is a 10th class, there is a 9th class, I want to display maximum marks in class 10, maximum marks in class 9. But remember one thing, maximum is the aggregate function. It will return single value. For to solving this problem, we have group by clause. Group by clause will divide your table into small segment. Look at here. Select, I'm displaying here. Select class, then maximum marks from result. Look at here, group by. Base will be class. So look at here. In class 9, maximum marks is 98. In class 10, the maximum marks is 91. Look at your class 9, 90 and 86. That's why marks is 98. Class 10 makes 78, 56, 91. Maximum is 91. So this is group by clause. So it divides the table into small segment. Yes, any doubt in this?